Hi all, it's Mike at Team Dealerlogix and excited to make this video for our service advisors on how we've made mobile payment easy through Dealerlogix. It's simple to use. When you have a deal in your whip that's on Contact Customer, simply open it and then use your share button to see the new request payment option. When you click on the request payment option, it's going to pop up for you. You can update the customer's total or what they're responsible for based on any deductibles or edits to the final invoice. And you can either pay here, right on your tablet, send an email, or send a text message. And for the art of the video, we'll send a text. And when we send that text message, you'll see that as soon as you send it, your customer is going to receive a text message. Once they receive that text message, they can open it, open the text, and then see that the vehicle is ready for pickup, and to save time, they can pay now. Once they open that link, it's going to show them their invoice, so there's no confusion on the services that were provided or the total that's going to be paid, and simply enter their credit card information. And simply touch Pay Now. Now you can see that the customer gets confirmation that the payment was received, and the advisor gets a message that's waiting confirming that payment as well on your side. It's time-stamped with when the text was sent out and when the customer's payment was approved. Now you can simply send your final inspection report and say, I'm done. Just another thing we do to make things easy for people just like you today.